What I'm here to show you is how to use the correct order block from the most sensitive part of the actual order block, right? So targeting buy side liquidity. So this is how you will actually manage it, right? So look, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles right before market open, right? And then what we get an aggressive close above this zone right here at market open, correct? So now, this is the start of the order block. Where is the most sensitive part of the order block? Because you see in this run up right here, the displacement up, it didn't leave no fair value gap, right? It left a small fair value gap right here, but let's not count down for the moment, right? Where is the most sensitive part of the order block? It's from the top wick to the low of the close of that top wick, all right? I'm gonna make it red so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see how it closed above. Now, look what I'm looking for. I'm looking for one of these candles to come into this zone, just like it did here, right? So you see, it came, this bullish candle open here, came down right into the CE of this wick, displaced higher, right? If that wasn't confirmation, look at this candle. This candle came, but this bullish candle right here came right into the top, right? It didn't even sweep the first touch, right? If that wasn't confirmation that this most sensitive part of the order block, right, after the sweep of liquidity into a 5-minute buy side imbalance, right, and it's stopping at where? Look where it's stopping at. It's stopping at exactly. You see what happened? You see how it's stopping right at the top, which is the upper quadrant of this fair value gap, because if we're bullish, you want to see only the top half of bullish fair value gaps get traded to, not the bottom half, right? So that's another good sign. Now let's go right back to the order block. So you see how these down close candles is supporting price higher, right? So look how you could have caught a wonderful trade. Let's use market replay. Come in right here, right? Let's say I want to go long. I'm buying long. I'm gonna put my stop loss at the low, right? Or you could put it at mean threshold or below this order block. I like putting my stop below mean threshold, right? Targeting buy side liquidity, right? With risk to reward. Let's press play. So you see how it's coming in and it's touching it and it's displacing higher? TP. See that? So that's what I want to see in my plays, right? You have 4 down close candles, aggressive close above, right? You see how this is the most sensitive part of the order block right here. You see how the wicks are respecting it. Then eventually it creates another order block, which is a propulsion block, right? If you go look on a higher time frame, like a 2 minute or 1 minute, this zone right here will be more clear. You see how clear this zone is now on the 2 minute? See what happened? Down close candle supporting price higher. Look what happened, leaves a fair value gap right here. So if you actually want another entry, you can wait for it to come back to this zone to target higher prices, because this is what you want to see at liquidity. This is what you want to see at highs. You want to see it break through the highs. You saw it broke through the high. So when it comes back to retest the zone, we're still bullish to go back higher. Right? So that's how you use a correct order block off of just straight order flow. Right? This is a 2 minute chart. You see how much clearer it looks on the 2 minute chart. 2 down close candle, aggressive close above. You see the bearish candles is supporting price higher. Eventually we get a propulsion. Time to run. Right? I have a free Discord. I have a free community. If you want to learn these ICT concepts, you want to learn these ICT strategies, please leave me a DM or comment below anything you need help with, and let's get it, man. We'll get right to it. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.